Hey guys, today I have a makeup haul. I'm so excited, so let's just get straight into it. First I want to talk about something that I received in PR. This is from Betty Face and they kindly sent over this cute little package. So the first thing that I got is a 540 needle derma roller. So it looks like this, comes in like this little baby pink packaging. Then when you open it up, this is how it looks in here. It's all like sealed. Okay. So it says, use medical alcohol to disinfect the derma roller and the area of the skin which will be treated. Apply suitable functional nutrition on the treated area if required. Roll the derma roller back and forth 4 to 5 times in each direction, horizontally, vertically and diagonally on the area you wish to treat, whilst maintaining the same speed and pressure to create micro vessels. After treatment, apply necessary nutrition to the skin. Pay particular attention to skin inflammation. So you get the little derma roller, and they also sent over some of the alcohol as well in this little spray bottle. So yeah, let's open it up. This thing kind of scares me, honestly, but I'm excited. So it comes in this cute little pack. Oh, they're so small. I know I probably shouldn't be touching this, but I'll use the alcohol after. Wow, okay. This is super cool. It doesn't hurt, but it kind of like prickles a little bit. I don't know, but anyway. So yeah, it's got all these tiny little needles in it. That's so cool. And it says it's meant to smooth fine lines, minimize light scars, rejuvenate skin, and reduce pigmentation. So I do really want to try that out. Let me know if you guys want to see a video. But yeah, thank you so much to Betty Face for sending that over. And they also sent over heaps of their coconut oil wipes, which is just so lovely. Like there's so many in here. But yeah, thank you guys so much for sending that over. I really appreciate it. It's really sweet of you. Next, I did an order with Glam Reader. I ordered heaps of kimchi chic beauty. So let's start. First I got the Puff Puff Pass set and bake powder. I got mine in the shade Banana. So this is how it looks here. The packaging of this is just so cute, honestly. It says it's cruelty free, pegs free, sulfate free, vegan, paraben free, something free, synthetic fragrance free, and it has vitamin E added. So I just want to show you guys how cute this is, right? So when you open it up here, it has a little thing here and it says, hi darling. So when you open it up, just there. And then look at the way the actual powder is packaged. I can't deal. Like it's in this little tissue paper and it has a little sticker on it. I just think this is so cute. I don't know. It's got a little donut. Alright, I don't want to rip it. But anyway, this is the powder here. It's actually really big. And it says banana, but I feel like it's quite light, so I'm happy with that. But yeah, this is how it looks here. I'm really excited to try this out. Oh, cute. It comes with a little powder puff. That is so soft. Wow. And then, yeah, that's the powder in there. It's got a little love heart shape for the sifter. Super cute. I'm going to do a whole video trying out the Kimchi Chic Beauty. Am I saying that right? I don't know. Correct me if I'm not. I also got the Most Concealer. It says Multitask Superstar. I got mine in the shade Pale. I don't know if it'll be like too pale, but anyway. It says Kimchi says this may be called a concealer, but I see it as more of your natural feature enhancer. Conceal, cover, correct, and contour. Never forget those 4 C's. It says how to apply, blend with finger, sponge or brush for a magic result, set with Puff Puff Pass and lock in your look. So this is the packaging of the concealer. It's really cute. It's all kind of got like a soft matte kind of feel. And it has like the little brush applicator, which I actually kind of like. So let's have a... Ooh, it's very yellow. I feel like it'll be okay. I feel like it'll be really, really brightening. But yeah, I'm excited to try that out as well. Next, I got the Juicy 9 Juicy Chocolate Melt Palette. This palette is so cute. So this is the packaging here. The inside of this I feel like I've never seen before. It's honestly so sweet, and you know what I really appreciate? It's cardboard. There's no plastic, it's cardboard. I love that. But look at the inside. So I just think the little pans are so cute, and all of the little decorations around all of the pans. Oh, it's just the sweetest thing. I really, really love it. So yeah, I'm so excited to try that out. It's obviously like a pretty neutral palette, but I don't care. I'm excited. I also got the Kimchi X Naomi Smalls 2 Queens 1 Desert palette. So I really like this. Once again, cardboard, which I really appreciate. We have Kimchi on one side and Naomi on the other side. They both look beautiful. Like, the eye makeup was stunning. But yeah, so you get like 2 highlights and 2 blushes. I'll swatch the highlights for you. Wow, they look so beautiful. Wow, okay, so this one here is called Highest Point, and then this one here is called Afternoon Glisten. They actually look so beautiful. So pretty. I'm really excited to try that out as well. I got one of his, oh wait, his or her? If she's in drag, she's she, right? I'm sorry, I don't know much about Kimchi. Anyway, I got one of her diamond shards in the shade Striker Pose. This is so beautiful. Like, this is such a beautiful shade. I really want to buy more of these, but most of them were sold out. But yeah, it's just like a kind of, it's very similar to the Stila Glitter and Glow, but they're so reflective and so beautiful. It smells kind of weird. But yeah, I'm really excited to try that out as well. And then the last thing from Kimchi I got was the Deliciously Wet with Plumper. What's it called? I don't know what it's called. Oh, Deliciously Wet Gloss maybe. And this one's in the shade Manhattan, and it's just like a clear gloss. I kind of want to try it. Oh yeah, Wet with Plumper. Let's try it. I'm scared. Kind of tastes like oranges. But anyway. Then the last thing I got from Glam Radar is the Be Perfect X jar pigments. So you get 3 of them. It just comes in a little pack like this. First we have like, oh, I can't even open it. This is like a kind of very like silvery color. Just looks like really pretty, kind of like white silver. Then we have, oh, this is kind of like a very dark shade. Yeah, it's like a green kind of color, like a really deep green. It's really pretty though. It's like that. You can't really see it too well, I'm really sorry. And then the last one is like a pink shade. So yeah, that was everything I got from Glam Radar. Now we'll move on. I didn't order with Morphe. I got 2 of their new palettes, the 35C Everyday Chic palette. I got like 2 of this, one for me, one for a giveaway. Look how stunning it is. It's such a pretty palette. I honestly really, really like this. I feel like this is one of my favorite palettes that they've come out with. I don't know why. It just really speaks to me. It really, really appeals to me. I think it's beautiful. So yeah, I got one of those for me, and then I got another for a giveaway. And then I got 2 of the new Morphe 2 The Sweep Life 4-piece brush collection. So once again, I got one for me and one for a giveaway. So it just comes in this really cute like clear bag, and then you have 4 brushes here. What do we have? We have a complexion brush, a rounded blush brush, universal highlighting brush, and a ultimate packing brush. So yeah, I got those. I thought they were quite cute, and I thought it's like a good little set because it kind of comes with kind of staple brush set to get started, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I got those. And then last but not least, we have a Colourpop order. I have ordered 5 different orders from Colourpop, and this is the first one to arrive. Yeah, you're gonna be seeing lots of Colourpop on my channel soon. Okay, so the first thing I got was the Luxe Velvet Luxe Liquid Lipstick Duo. This one's in the shade Lofty Goals. And the first one we have is called Air Kiss. It's like that. And then we have Puddin', which looks like that. So they're just 2 really pretty shades. Then I got the Gimme a Slice Lip Crayon Bundle, and this one has a Go-Go and Chimichanga, I think. Yeah. I don't know if I said that right. These are the little Just a Tint ones. So this one here is Chimichanga, it's like a red kind of colour, and then we have a Go-Go. So those are both for giveaways, and then this is also for a giveaway too. This is the Lucky Streak Just a Tint Lip Crayon Vault. So this comes with a fair 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Comes with 8 of them. So yeah, someone will get 8 of the Just a Tint lip crayons, which I think is very cute. And then the last thing I got for myself, this is the Luxe Gloss Set. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 lip glosses, which I'm so excited. So that's how they look there. I'm going to do a lip swatch video with those soon, so keep an eye out for that. But yes, that is my makeup haul. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you once again to Betty Face for sending me some PR. I really appreciate it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!